Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another new box and I just kicked my tripod. That's why you were shaking. Sorry. I have a new box for you and it is going to be fantabulous because it's jewelry. Who doesn't love jewelry, right? And this box is called Sparkle On. This box is $19.97 a month, and you can use a code for free 15 off. That's FREE 150FF. And you get a special discount at checkout on Cratejoy. So I will provide that link and that code down below for you. This is a stunning fashion jewelry subscription box at a low cost. $19.97, that's not half bad. You get 4 to 6 pieces of jewelry. 4 to 6 pieces of jewelry. That's amazing. And it can be earrings, necklaces, rings, bracelets, hair accessories. So everything a girl wants or a girl needs. I think that's awesome. So let's get into this bag. I almost said box. All right, so here is what you can you see it? Maybe not. There's a bunch of jewelry boxes in this bag. So I'm gonna pull out all the jewelry boxes first. There is one, oops, it's upside down, darn it. I pulled it out upside down. And there is 2. There was one more in here, and 3. Look at those cute little packages. There was something else in here. Okay, so I will show you the packages. There's our packages. Oh, don't fall. 3 jewelry boxes. So we have a note. Let's read our note. I am so happy to get this. I love jewelry. I really am a jewelry person. And it is a thank you card. Let's see what we have. I just wanted to thank you for me to do the review, and please let me know when you are going to do it. And it says XOXO Brittany, so I have to send her a link when I get it done. This box or bag was sent to me to review, and I just love it so far. Great personalization. I love that. It's very personal, very nice. I love that in a subscription box when the curator writes you a cute little note, or even just, you know, a thank you card and slips it in there. It's awesome. It's awesome. Okay, so I'm going to start with the smallest first. So let us see what is in here. And it comes in that. And then, oh, it looks like there are 2 things in here. All right, let's get this unwrapped. Pull the first thing out first. Oh, cute little heart tissue paper. We'll unwrap that. Oh, this is what I see when I unwrap it. And it looks to be a beautiful ring. Let's see. Come on out. Oh, that is so, I like that. And I like that it is adjustable. That is an adjustable ring. Because sometimes, you know, a girl's fingers swell and you just have to have, you know, a bigger ring. Although it may not fit. Now I'm going to have to not intentionally flip you off. There. I'm very sorry. I'm not trying to. That is beautiful. Look at that sparkle. It's so cute, and I love that because it will stretch with my finger. That, I like that. I've never seen a ring like that before where it has the stretch. I've never seen that. Have you guys seen that before? I have never seen that before, so I'm gonna put it on a different finger because I don't want to flip you guys off. So we're going to change fingers. So there we go. How is that? That is beautiful. I love that ring. Very beautiful. I love the, how do I want to say, the boldness of it, the edgy kind of, you know, rock star kind of, you know what I mean? Kind of, it's like kind of edgy, but it's still beautiful. I like that. That's beautiful. Okay, let's get to the next one. Let's get to the next, and I have a really sinking suspicion that this is a ring as well. And it is beautiful. Sterling silver. Oh, nope, it says silver plated heart ring, and this is in the size 7.25. Oh, and this one was stretch chrome colored ring, and it says one size fits most, and that was the, so it's chrome, and here is that beautiful ring. And this is silver plated heart ring. And I have a heart ring right there too. I love, love my rubies. Okay, let's see. Oh, don't fall down. Almost lost it. I'm gonna take my other one off and I'm going to put this one on, and it fits perfectly. Did I put the heart upside down? Yes, I did. There we go. There we go. It's a little too big on that finger, but there we go. That is just beautiful. There is the back and the side. That is just beautiful. I love anything that sparkles, girl. Let me tell you, I just love sparkly stuff. I just love that. Isn't that just gorgeous? Love it. Love it. So far, so good, guys. Okay, I'm going to put these back in the box. Put that in there and move all of this stuff out of the way. And I will insert pictures at the end. And look at my hair. I will insert pictures at the end so that you can have a close-up and you can get a bird's eye view. A bird's eye view of this beautiful, beautiful jewelry. Okay, on to, I wonder which one is bigger. Let's go with this one. All right. Oh my goodness, there's two things in here too. Okay, all right, here we go. It's like Christmas. Oh, they're earrings. They are earrings. These are gorgeous. Gorgeous. All right, come on now. Open up. They want to see what you look like. There they are. Aren't they? Look at the sparkle. They are just gorgeous. And they are, there's the backs. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Let's see what this says. Gold, no, wait. Gold dangle earrings with champagne stones. That's what these are. Aren't they just beautiful? The sparkle. They are gorgeous. Let me see here. I probably won't be able to get them in because my ears are, they have a mind of their own. They like to be stubborn and bullheaded and just, they just, you know, I might have to pause you guys and put them in because we could be here till next Sunday. Oh wait, I think I got it. I got it. We could be here till next Sunday with me trying to get these earrings on. Just because that's just how my ears want to be today. No, don't come back out. Oh, I almost made it come back out. Okay. Trying to put the back on so we don't lose them, you know. I like those. I love it, dangly earrings anyway, so she had me with the dangles. I love them. I'm not too much of a stud person. I mean, I have studs, but I don't know. I tend to gravitate more towards dangly earrings. I don't know. Maybe it's just I'm showing off. Who knows? Maybe not. I don't know. Get in there. Now, let's go. Okay. I got it. Now we put the back on so I don't lose them, because that is also one thing that I do very well, is lose earrings. But let's see here if I can bring it a little closer. And there they are. I think they are gorgeous. Aren't they just cute? There's the earrings. Now let's see what else. We have one more thing in this box. There's a lot in this box for $19.97, guys. This is a good deal. Let's see what else we have here. Oh, it's a bracelet. It's a bracelet. Let's see. It's a kind of a tiny bracelet, but here is, I don't know if you're gonna be able to actually see that, but there is the bracelet, and it says, "Be brave, be fierce," and it's gold. Let's see what this says. "Be brave, be fierce," adjustable cuff bracelet. It has little tiny hearts right there. Let's see. Oh, it fit. I did not think it was going to fit me. It looks so tiny. That's pretty. I like that too. We are like 4 for 4 here. Okay. Our last box. I wonder if this has 2 in it too. Probably. Let's look. Okay. That's what I see when I open it. And yes, there are 2 items in this one too. My goodness, for $19.97, you cannot beat this. This is a great deal. You definitely get your $19.97, and this is a braided wrap bracelet. Red, white, or red, pink, and silver accents. Everything is just so sparkly. That's so cute. Although I may not wear that, but there is the wrap bracelet. It is very cute, easy to put on, not hard at all. So there's that. That is pretty. I just, the glittery, sparkly stuff, oh, I just love it. And our last item, let me get it out of the box, and it is in this little pouch. And okay, oh, it's, oh my goodness. Now you know this is somebody that knows jewelry when they package it like this so the chain doesn't tangle. That's how it came packaged. And this looks like it matches the earrings. Yes, it does. This is a gold teardrop necklace with clear stone, and the chain length is 16 to 17 inches. Let's see if I do it like this, would you be able to see it better? There we go. Isn't that beautiful? There we go. I will find a way to display this jewelry. Now, isn't that just beautiful? That stone is gorgeous. Ooh, blinding you with the jewels. Oh, that is gorgeous. I love that. Absolutely beautiful. I like this box, guys. This box is amazing. You guys, okay. So you tell me in the comments below, what did you think of this box? Because now this box is $19.97 a month, and there is the necklace one more time. I think it works well this way. One more time with the necklace. This box is $19.97 a month. You get 4 to 6 jewelry items, which is a deal, just a deal. And they're gorgeous and they sparkle. Oh, I can't get over the sparkle. The sparkle got me. I am hooked. I like this. And you get a discount code at the end when you cash out at Cratejoy. So what more could you ask for, girls? You gotta get this jewelry. This is amazing. I love this box. And the curator has been back and forth in the emails with me, staying in contact, and I appreciate that in a box as well. I also am glad that they have a code that's active on Cratejoy so that you guys can get a discount, because who doesn't love a discount, right? I love discounts and I love this box. So if you're gonna give this box a try, let me know in the comment section if you're thinking about trying it, or if you just said, I'm gonna do it no matter what, let's do it. And just to see what they have, because I mean, the jewelry is beautiful. It really is beautiful. It could be a great gift box for your children, your grandchildren, a Christmas gift. You could order this for Christmas for somebody and they can get 4 to 6 pieces of jewelry. That would be amazing. So let me know if you're planning on getting this box and what did you think of this box. What was your favorite piece? I think mine was the heart ring. I think that was my favorite piece because I just love hearts. So okay guys, that is it for this video. I just want to let you know that I appreciate you guys. I love to see the comment section happen. So if you are going to get one of these boxes, get down there in the comment section and let me know, because I'm curious to know who would order this box. I like it. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button over there and give me a thumbs up, because you know that's how I know that you guys are liking what I am putting out. And thank you so much again for supporting me and my YouTube adventures. All right, guys, I will see you in another video real soon. Bye now.